Crude oil largely stayed bullish and tried to recover lost grounds. It has moved close to 67 but failed to stay above the critical resistance levels. While it is natural gas, which is much of the gains and is now trading bearish at the support levels at 4.35, 4.3. Yes, it has filled the gap what we had seen with the beginning of the week here. Also, the inventory data for crude oil might bring further volatility. So, what to expect from crude oil and net gas today? Where to enter, where to exit, how to profit? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you two updates a day. The next one will be released before the US session, before the critical data releases. Do not miss to watch it. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and the channel membership share on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, to look into oil, followed with gas. Watch till the end. Oil on the hourly chart. See after this retracement. First of all, what it has done, you should just connect the dots here. See these lower highs, lower lows are seen forming a nice flag. Very, very important now for oil to trade beyond 67 and 67.5, 67.6 zone. Also, I have mentioned yesterday, see divide this into two. From here you will find a symmetry here. Now see what has happened. This drop is done and it is looking forward to a breakout, where this breakout is going to take it all the way towards 68, 68.5 zone. We have to wait for this to happen. Moving averages have converged here and are on the verge of a crossover, but look at the move for the last few candles. It is just consolidating. So if you see now oil trading beyond 66.6, you can initiate a buying entry, expect 67, and then once it trades beyond 67, you can expect it to move towards 67.4, 67.5, and in fact 68 levels. Let's have a further look. See stochastic at top trying to cool down a bit, while the MACD is under retracement. It is in green and trading with modest bullishness. RSI flat here. On the 2 hour, look at the 2 hour charts here. Similar observations. See diminishing bullishness trying to reverse. I'll wait for a confirmation. Move beyond 66. Beyond 66.6 is the confirmation of further bullishness. Notice what is happening. It is forming a nice flag here. And once it breaks out beyond 67 is where you can say, now the bulls are back in action. Stochastic rising here. The MACD is rising here after the crossover looking upwards. The RSI is almost. If you look at 3 hour charts, the prices are now consolidating around 20 period moving average, finding a good support here. Wait for this to break out beyond 66.6. The lower price has to be above 66.6 and then 67 levels. Once 67 is taken, you can just stay bullish for 67.4, 67.5. And what I see this as a possibility of a reversal here. Though the complete reversal appears difficult, but yes, a little up move cannot be denied. The moving averages are still trading bearish here. When you look at the stochastic, this is starting to look upwards. Good sign here for the bulls. And the MACD is also crossed over again and trading bullish, looking upwards. Again, signs are supportive for further bullishness. But when you look at RSI, there is no strength here. It is almost running flat without any indication of either the bullishness or the bearishness. Coming to the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, what has happened? Similar observation. 65 offering a support. Price is trying to bounce back. Lower highs are seen so far. Lower lows are seen so far. A breakout move above 67 and 67.5 is the only confirmation of further reversal and rise here. As long as it stays below this, in fact, let me include 68.4 as well. As long as now oil trades below 68, 68.4, we should not be treating this as bullish. Only bullish move is considered, only reversal confirmation in oil is if it trades above 68, 68.4, and then we can look forward to a move all the way towards 70.4 levels. The stochastic at top trying to cool down. The MACD has crossed over here, trading with little divergence and bullishness and looking upwards. Good sign supportive for further bullishness. RSI running flat here. Coming to daily. Now on the daily charts, notice if you connect the formation here, see here, this was the reversal. And since reversal, what has happened? One bullish candle was seen, then retracement, and since then lower highs, lower lows are observed. Thus, it is very, very important for oil to come out of this. And see, it has formed a double bottom. This suggests that it could possibly recover, though right now the stance is not so aggressively bullish. Second thing is the 20 period moving average sitting at around 68.5, 68.6 should be a good resistance, and then 69 level should appear. Beyond 69, we are waiting for 70, 70.5 levels. But let's have a further look. See, the stochastic is starting to rise. The MACD has traded enough bearish here. Let's wait for a crossover. Which a crossover here requires couple of more bullish candles here. The RSI is at bottom. So inventory data today in the OPEC report should add to the volatility in the oil price. And thus, before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch, and if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. So where to buy? Very easy. If you look at the prices, the low price has to be above 66.6. You can initiate a buying entry here. Ideally, 67 should be a safer entry, but beyond 66.6, the chances will be high that we may see oil at 67. And once it trades beyond 67, expect 67.4, 67.5, 68.4, 68.5, and then 69. Beyond 69, anyways, we are looking forward to 70.5 levels. Let's see which direction it delivers a breakout. There are greater resistances available on the upside. On the downside now, I'll recommend a selling entry at 66 levels. 66, 65.8 should be a good selling entry, but then 65.4 first target, 65 the second. And any drop below 65 is a clear sign of more bearishness all the way towards 63.5, 63.6 levels, and in fact 62 levels. 65 has become a very good support, and I have always maintained 65, 67 is a greater support zone for crude oil. Let's wait and see the direction it takes from this zone, because this might become a long-term trend as well. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at natural gas. Natural gas on the hourly chart, see it has filled the gap here, what we had seen towards the beginning of the week. It has formed a nice flag here. It is trading in this channel. The top of this channel is somewhere here at around 4.5, 4.55. And see how important are the levels. Yesterday I mentioned, and day before also I mentioned, 4.6, 4.7 is the zone it needs to break. What it has done, hitting 4.6, 4.6, so it has reversed. So yes, this is definitely a critical resistance zone for net gas for now. What has happened? Strong bearish moves are seen. It is showing a reversal sign, trying to deliver a bit of rise. If you see it is staying above 4.4 levels, you can again expect a rise from there. If it trades above 4.4, we can expect 4.44, and then all the way towards 4.4446 should be the first resistance, and then you can expect 4.5 levels. When we look at the stochastic rising from the oversold levels, while the MACD is trading with extremely bearish, it has bottomed, it appears, and the RSI is running flat. This is just on the hourly. If you look at the 2-hour charts, after delivering strong bearishness, showing a reversal sign, price is trying to rise. I will wait for the lower price to trade above 4.4. And once it trades beyond 4.40, you can expect it to move all the way towards 4.44, 4.46, and then 4.5 levels, the next resistance zone. Yes, also if you notice, this is how it has been trending: rise, retracement, rise, retracement, rise, retracement. Though it is almost breached this support zone, but I can say I can take this as a bottom here. And thus, very important, if you see it trading below 4.3, you can say now the bears are back, and you can look forward to 4.2 and lower levels. The stochastic oversold, MACD trading sharply bearish, looking downwards. The RSI is running flat. On the 3-hour chart, the observation on the 3-hour chart is more or less same. Diminishing bearishness, taking the support from 50 period, trying to bounce. It is possible for net gas to recover a bit, because see, this is how it has been trading. This is the channel in which it is trading. The top of the channel is all the way towards 4.5. Till 4.5 today, we should not be trading. Net gas is bullish. Also notice this is still very much intact within this bullish channel, and see the formation is almost alike: rise, retracement, and a breakout here can deliver a stronger move on the upside. Stochastic oversold. The MACD is trading with divergence and bearishness. The RSI is running flat. On the 4-hour, the observation is similar. See, here also it tried to trade below 20 period, failing to close. Here it is bounced back and recovered. Here also it is trying to trade below 20 period. Now I will wait for it to trade above 20 period, which means 4.44, 4.46 zone is going to be very critical. Also notice rise, retracement, and since then it is trading in this bullish channel. The highs of this channel are far above towards 5.2. Stochastic has come to an oversold zone. The MACD is trading with divergence, is staying bearish, looking downwards. The RSI has dropped here. Signs are slightly bearish here. Coming to the daily. Now, on the daily charts, if you look at, see the move here: rise, retracement, and now delivering higher lows and higher highs here. And this is a nice flag. And second thing is, the prices are trading with divergence from the 20 period. So now today, if you see it is staying below 4.3, this will invite another round of drop, which might take the prices all the way towards 4.2 and 4.15 levels. Yes, this could mean a reversal here, because see, two bullish candle, two bearish candle, and now once it breaks out here on the downside below 4.3, you can expect more bearishness to prevail, where the prices can keep moving all the way towards 20 period. Now notice also this is how it has been trading now on the larger time frame, on the daily time frame. This is how it has been trading. Where are the lows here? Close to 4.2 zone. And thus the candle today will decide the further movement in net gas prices. The stochastic looking downwards, the MACD has traded ample bullish. It is trying to converge. The crossover here mean a reversal. The RSI has dropped. So consider I recommend a selling entry at 4.34, expect 4.3, and once it trades below 4.3, you can just stay short for 4.2, 4.15 levels. Possibility exists that once it trades below 4.3, more bearishness should prevail, which might take prices all the way towards 4.2 and 4.15 levels. Though appears difficult but not impossible. On the upside, now I'll recommend a buying entry at 4.4, but this is going to be critical as long as 4.6, 4.7 zone is not taken. So if you're buying at 4.4, expect 4.44 first target, 4.5 second. Now 4.48, 4.5 is going to be the stronger resistance today. Once it trades beyond 4.5 levels, you can say that the bullishness will increase. Possibility will be high that it may strike 4.6 levels, and a move beyond 4.6 is a confirmation of reversal where the prices are going to aim higher towards 4.85 and 5.2 levels very, very soon. Though appears a difficult probability as of today. Take your trades, take your patience accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and the channel membership here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.